In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through HubSpot by using the app na2.hubspot.com interface. This guide is designed to help you become more comfortable with the platform's features, specifically focusing on how to access and use automation workflows. So let's get started. First, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, the journey begins by heading over to the User Guide section. This is your go-to resource for all things HubSpot, providing a comprehensive overview and detailed explanations about the various functionalities available on the platform. To find this guide, simply type the following link into your browser or click directly if you've been provided with a link. App na2.hubspot.com, our user guide, 243516041. This will direct you straight to the HubSpot user guide interface, which acts as your central hub for learning and exploring new features. Once you're in the user guide, your next step is to look for the automation section. Automation is one of HubSpot's key offerings, allowing you to streamline processes, reduce manual efforts, and enhance efficiency within your business operations. This feature is particularly valuable because it helps keep your team synchronized and on track without constant manual input. You can locate the automation button on the user interface. Upon clicking it, you will gain access to a suite of tools designed to automate various aspects of your workflows. After you've clicked on Automation, the next item on your agenda is to select Workflows. Workflows in HubSpot are incredibly powerful as they allow you to automate your marketing, sales, and service processes. By selecting the Workflows option, you can begin to create automated tasks that cater to your specific business needs. Here, you can design triggers that respond to specific actions taken by your contacts, establish email sequences sent out automatically based on contact behavior, or even implement complex if-then logic trees to ensure that each customer interaction is as personalized as possible. To wrap up our guide, remember, navigating through HubSpot using these steps can significantly improve your team's productivity. Familiarizing yourself with the user guide will provide a solid foundation, and mastering the automation and workflow tools allows you to tailor your processes to better suit your business objectives. These tools can help you save considerable time and resources, allowing you to focus more on growing your business and less on day-to-day operational tasks. I hope you find this guide helpful and that it empowers you to harness the full potential of HubSpot's capabilities. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials.